How did your week 3 go? Were you able to tackle some nagging tasks? Did you organize anything? Did you sleep? Well, stay tuned to see how I did.
Style and Truth Happiness Series.
Hi everybody, it's Lulu here. Lulu! Ah! Well, it's Lulu here to talk about my week 3. What went right, what went wrong, what I did other than that, other than the things that I plan to do, and what I'm going to do next week. So this week, what did I do well? Well, I did tackle lots of nagging tasks. When there were dishes in the sink, I washed them, put them away. When the trash needed to be taken out, with the exception of one time because they closed the top of my dumpster and I'm too short to reach. It's a very annoying thing, so I can't put the bag in. But other than that, when the dumpster was open, I just took the trash out right away. Other things I did to organize my apartment were I did some laundry, and that helped kind of put some clothes away, as well as just organizing my kitchen. That's my favorite room. I'm constantly organizing my kitchen, so something I did. So those things really worked well for me. I was able to kind of get through my day and just finish things that needed to be done without much thought about, oh, I'll just do it tomorrow, because really I won't do it tomorrow. He knows I won't do it tomorrow. So other things that worked, I still did a lot of the overthinking exercises. What I did was I talked to a trusted friend. Thursday, one of my friends came over. I was able to tell them about my problems. I was able to kind of get through the whole, this is what's happening. I feel really anxious about it. I just keep overthinking about it, and they really reassured me that I'm on the right path, that I'm doing what I need to do, that this project, that other projects that I'm working on are really just thriving, and I'm thriving. So I'm really proud of myself and really happy. I'll be glad to share a blurb of talking to a trusted friend. What didn't work? So still sleeping. I've been going to bed by around midnight, so that's not the worst, but I really want to try to go to bed by 11:30. And I think what's going to help is taking my allergy meds at 9. That way they kind of make me a little drowsy by 10:30, 11:30. So I'll go to bed so that I can wake up early. I really didn't go to the gym this week, unfortunately, because I was exhausted. Tuesday I came home, I sat down, I went to the library, which was really fun. I love the library. And I sat down in this chair and I was reading, and I was under my blanket. Next thing you know, I'm passed out. I wake up and I'm like, oh, it's time to go back to bed, because I was just so exhausted. My body was just like, you need to sleep. And especially, it's starting to be fall. I'm starting to get my fall allergies. I'm really allergic to the mold on the leaves. So I need to get back into the regimen of allergy medicine so that I can feel good and I can make it through the day. Other things I still did grocery shopping today. Woo! I love grocery shopping. I know that's really strange, but I have a need to do retail therapy, and that fulfills that retail therapy need by me buying things that I'm actually going to use, actually going to eat, and it just kind of keeps me organized for the week. This week I'm making spaghetti. I'm going to make butter chicken. I'm also going to make clam chowder later. I have all the stuff. I'm super excited because I love clam chowder. I've just been having a good time. My birthday was this weekend, and I've just been hanging out, having fun, being with friends in a way that I enjoy. That way is I like one-on-one interaction. I'm an extrovert, so don't get me wrong. I love big parties. I love big crowds. I love being around people. But sometimes, like, for my birthday, like, my family, we've always celebrated it kind of just us. So it was nice to get, like, some time with my friend on Thursday, some time with a friend on Friday, and my brother and his partner on Friday, and some time on Saturday with small groups of people. That way I feel great. I got some flowers, but that way I feel great, and I don't get overwhelmed. I don't drink too much. I kind of just enjoy the night, and it's really nice to do that. I really enjoy very intimate gatherings, especially for my birthday. My birthday is my favorite day of the year. I know that's really strange, and it's not about the presents. It's just about having the time to spend with the people that matter most in my life. Shout out to Hope. Woo, you're my best friend forever. And Hunter, also my best friend forever. Just having the time to get some self-care in. Like Thursday, we did facial time, we made some food, we just hung out. It was a great time, and it really was so relaxing, and it felt good to spend time with other people. Other people really help you feel super energetic. So I don't feel bad about the things that I didn't do this week, because I feel like the things that I did helped me feel more energetic, helped me feel rejuvenated, helped me feel great. So this week, what do I want to focus on this week? I'm still going to work on the overthinking exercises. I have therapy this week, I believe, because I didn't have it last week. So I'm going to talk to my therapist about them and see what she thinks. I also really want to go to bed earlier. I think I'm going to take the pressure off, though. I think that will help. I'm going to try to do my nighttime routine. If I get to bed by midnight, I'm okay. I'll feel good. I'll feel rested. I'm going to plan also to go to the gym. I'm going to pack a gym bag with shampoo, conditioner, so I can shower there, as well as like my bathing suit. I'm going to do some yoga this week and film it for everybody so they can see what I do. I'll put those on IGTV. What else do I want to do? But I really want to get through and act more energetic. This is our week 4 is going to be next week, and it'll be our last week doing kind of this kind of energetic focus. Next week we'll talk more about that. But I really want to focus on the things that are working for me, and I don't want to pressure myself, because I realize that, like, when I pressure myself, then it gets me into a spiral, and then I'm just like, oh, I can't do it. When in reality, I can. I can do it. We can do it. We can be happier. We can be more energetic. We can have a lot of fun. And look, you and I, we're going to do great things, and we can do them, and we can accomplish all the goals we want to do. So, come on. It's my new year. Like, I'm super excited, super happy, and I just want to share that, you know, even though my focus is energy, there are other things I'm doing to make my life happier, and this week I've been very happy, and I feel great, and I hope you all feel great too. You can follow me at Style and Truth on Instagram and Twitter. I'm Lulu Reid here on YouTube. And let's see, where else? That's it. You can find me those places. I am also gonna try to be doing more IGTV videos for you. and get some more vlogs out. I'm really excited for this project. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Bloopers.
I can't